Hi, my name is Manish Chopra from Microsoft. As part of Microsoft Azure solution team, one of our goals is to help accelerate digitization of research across our customers, leveraging the latest HPC innovations and solutions available on Azure HPC platform. Today, I have the pleasure to host Julie from Cegal, a Microsoft partner, sharing with us a solution that addresses key topics of digitization of oil and gas exploration and production using high performance virtual desktops and HPC computing with their solution Cetegra. Without further ado, Julie, talk to us about what challenges linked to digitization oil and gas companies commonly face these days, and what are the core competencies required to tackle these challenges?
Hi, thank you, Manish. Yeah, so basically what we see now is that experts in oil and gas industry very often use specialized applications that need to be integrated to facilitate technical workflows, linking different disciplines such as seismic interpretations, for instance, reservoir modeling, or even dynamic simulations. These applications are very often quite resource demanding in terms of graphical requirements, for instance, or ask for intense computing power. Some organizations don't necessarily have the internal IT resources to maintain high-end workstations and keep up with all the requirements. That's why a fully digital solution such as Cetegra, delivering high-performance virtual desktop and high-performance computing setup, would be perfect to liberate those organizations from these constraints.
Okay. Yeah. Tell us a little bit more about your solution and how Cetegra represents an ideal solution for businesses in rather complex landscape as you described earlier.
Yeah, so we know that all these applications are coming from various vendors, different suppliers, and Cetegra is the only vendor-neutral petrotechnical platform on the market today. It facilitates all the applications and data in one single collaborative and flexible solution. So businesses can basically trade all their workstations for a full virtual cloud-based environment, which supports both Office packages, for example, and this resource-intensive software, such as the geomodeling platform or the reservoir simulator engine. Virtual desktops will always adapt to the workload and the specific needs of users. The configuration basically evolves when business develops, and there's no need for maintaining all this bulky hardware anymore.
Fantastic. So this is a high performance desktop solution, as you said. So how can Cetegra support businesses with the regional branches or local offices? We see a lot of researchers working from anywhere, anytime.
Exactly. Like you say, and like we see nowadays, mobility is critical. And Cetegra
Yeah.
can be deployed on private clouds, of course, but also on public clouds, such as Microsoft Azure, for instance. And this type of setup will naturally enable employees to work from anywhere, but also from any device at any time.
Okay, excellent. Can you talk a little bit about what are the benefits of Cetegra in terms of cost and control that our customers would care about?
So just think about all these numerous applications installed on local workstations around the globe. If you're an IT in charge of that system, it's almost impossible to keep control over usage, versions, licensing, patches, all of it. Cetera includes analytics to monitor virtual machines usage, license count, group access. It helps keeping cost under control. It provides the right configuration for the right usage at the right time.
Yep, that's right. Sustainability is a big initiative in oil and gas companies. How can Cetegra also help these companies reach their sustainability goals?
Yeah, like you say, sustainability is the big topic now. And just think of dozens of workstations running at the same time. It
Yep.
generates a lot of noise, a lot of consumption in terms of power consumption, and a lot of heat as well. And there's a lot of emissions that are linked to all these workstations running. If you virtualize all these machines and use energy efficient servers instead, there's an obvious reduction of emissions, which naturally will help companies reaching their sustainability goal.
Excellent. So let me summarize today. We learned about Cetegra as a digitization hub. is a solution offered on Microsoft Azure platform that consolidates critical data across business functions, enables new technologies, tools, and solutions, all in a secure manner. Is that right? Correct?
Yeah, absolutely. I really like your words here, digitalization hub. That's exactly what Cetegra is, and what we see now is really flexibility, mobility, and security. Those are three key pillars of Cetegra. With this solution, in short, the IT setup adapts to your business needs and not the other way around.
Excellent. Thank you, Julie, for your time and sharing your thoughts on a solution which helps oil and gas companies in digitizing their research using high performance computing desktops running on Azure. Thank you for your time.
My pleasure. Thank you, Manish.